Perhaps you'll be interested in this Jan's Prairie gooseberry plant that I dug out. See, I got underneath the roots real nice with the shovel, and didn't break any of them. I took my time, made sure I got everything all around. Here's one that's a little bit farther out that I might have sliced off. But also I had done some tip layering with this. You can see here's some roots here on one of the branches. That's one. I think we'll go ahead and clip that off of there right there. Yeah, that looks like a good spot. I think there's some roots growing right in here too, right there. We'll clip that off and plant it. That's two. They root real easy. And here's one here that I tip layered. You can see some roots right in there. So we'll hit that one right. We'll come up here a little bit. How about to this junction right here? There, you can see it all now. So that's three. Here's another one. Here's a pretty nice one right here. There's two of them here. There's one right here. Then there's one right over here. We'll come all the way up to here for that one. And we'll come up to here on this one. That's 4, 5. Here's another one. Number 6 right there. Yeah, right there. That's 6. I think that's it. Yeah. So now what we're going to do, grab this knife right here, and we're going to nick our branches that are coming up, because we're going to bury it. We're going to probably bury it up to here. We're going to dig a real deep hole and get it buried. Then all of these are going to form roots too, and at some point I can go ahead and dig them out and make them all different plants. So I got to put this camera down here for a little bit. I'm going to nick it on the outside. Just cut it a little bit. Encourage roots to grow on the outside. That branch on the far side there, I'll probably be able to bury the whole branch. There, now we gotta dig her in. I'll show it to you when I'm done digging. And here we have the Jan's Prairie and main crop garden number 4. I've got a lineup of honeyberries here on the outer ridge, on the outer bed. I'm going to put that Jan's Prairie right here. I've got some little garlics there I can harvest for breakfast tomorrow. And here on this side I have an aronia. And here's another honeyberry. So right in this spot right here. Just probably a pretty good weed root right there. I forget what was there. And I'll take that right out of there and make a big huge hole right here. I got a pretty good hole here. Plenty of room. Definitely going to be deep enough to get up to my cuts. Got a little trick that I actually did it twice already on this plant. I thought, well, I probably should get it on video. You can see where the roots are kind of up against the side here. I just stick the shovel in right there at the side, and just the act of pulling it away there, and then whatever's on the shovel, you just dump it right back in. You get the roots in there. And then I work on getting her tight around the bottom. Yeah, that's pretty good. So this is the branch here. I think I can bury the whole branch. And then that'll become a plant. All of these that are sticking out. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Right here is the finished product. You can see all of these branches are separated. We're definitely way beyond where I put that little cut. They're all going to sprout roots out of each one of those branches. And I may elect just to leave it the way it is and let it have a whole bunch of root systems so that I can make more berries, or if I have an inclination, I can dig this back up, break them all apart, and they'll all become new plants. So we'll see what happens. But right now, I think we're set to go. We're definitely going to get some production out of this year. A nice root system. Yeah, I think so. Nice early in the year. They got plenty of time to get back situated with the soil life. Okay, nice plant. Yeah, very nice plant. Okay, thanks for watching. And I also had to pull out a skirret, so I got a little bit of skirret root. We'll eat that for breakfast in the morning, right there. Win, win, win. That's nice right there. There's the tag. Okay, thanks for watching. And here's the hole I dug it out of. It was competing with Jerusalem artichokes and blackberries and kiwi and grapes on top. So now I got it in a more sunny location. And I also have some of these Jerusalem artichokes I can bring in and eat. So now you've seen and heard the whole story. I dug that thing out pretty nice. Okay, well, thanks for watching again. That looks nice. And that looks nice.